Have you ever accidentally made your iPhone unavailable? Wondering how to unlock iPhone unavailable screen? In this video, we are going to show you 2 tips to solve this problem. Please keep watching. Method 1. Unlock iPhone unavailable screen by erasing. If Find My iPhone has turned on, Erase iPhone option will display when it says iPhone unavailable. Try again in 15 minutes. Then tap Erase iPhone in the bottom right side. It tells you that performing Erase iPhone will erase all your content and settings on the device that's in security lockout. Tap Erase iPhone again to confirm. Enter your Apple ID password to sign out of your Apple ID. Now, you just need to wait for it to wipe your device. Method 2. Unlock iPhone unavailable screen without password. First, download any unlock on your computer. Launch it and click Unlock Screen Passcode on the home page, then click Start. Now, please connect your iPhone to the computer with a USB cable. After that, select Download Path. Click on the Download button to download iOS firmware, and wait a minute. After the firmware is downloaded, click Unlock Now. Then any unlock will unlock screen passcode automatically. Please do not disconnect your device until it restarts. When the recovery process is completed, you will see the screen passcode removed successfully interface as below. After unlocking, the device will be upgraded to the latest version so you can enjoy the newest iOS features. Thanks for watching this video. Please don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more tips, and leave your comment if you have any question.